Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Thursday, August 7th. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the water vapor image from this morning. So the water vapor is looking at the moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And in this picture, you can see the darker blue colors, or the blue colors in general, is where we have this upper level disturbance, and this will actually move into the eastern portion of the U.S. and affect Georgia Friday into Saturday. Now, at the surface today, we actually have a boundary stretched across the state. So basically, overall today, we're just expecting isolated thunderstorms. And behind this boundary, we don't see those cooler temperatures that we would typically get with fronts once we get into the fall. Also, you can note that we don't have any of the oranges or browns and the water vapor imagery behind this front, so we aren't expecting any drier air to move in either behind the front. So as the upper level disturbance that was mentioned in the previous slide shifts eastward, our chance for rain will increase, and this will basically happen Friday into Saturday, with our best rain chances being on Saturday. With this system, the main threat at this point appears to be storms that are slow moving could lead to isolated flooding. So as I mentioned, our rain chances do increase for Friday and Saturday. For Friday, we're basically looking for a 40% to 60% chance of rain across north and central Georgia. And on Saturday, that chance increases to about 50 to 70% across the area. As we move into the Sunday to Tuesday timeframe, it appears as though our chance of precipitation will be around 40%. I do want to point out that one of the models is depicting a wedge setting up for Monday, and that's depicted here on the left-hand side, looking at our surface pressure pattern. Now, if this wedge does set up, then it would basically result in cooler high temperatures on Monday. Overall rainfall amounts through Wednesday should be around 1 to 1.5 inches with isolated higher amounts. Now, based on these amounts, no widespread flooding is expected. However, with the potential that exists for slow-moving storms, isolated flooding is possible with those slow-moving storms. It is currently quiet across the Atlantic Basin, and no new tropical cyclones are expected to form during the next 5 days. That's not the case in the Pacific, though, with both Isel and Julio moving westward towards Hawaii. In summary, we're looking for that wet weather to return Friday into Saturday. Overall, though, through Wednesday, our rainfall amount should only be about 1 to 1.5 inches. So we're not expecting any widespread flooding, although, again, isolated flooding is possible with those slow-moving storms. And remember, for the latest forecast, visit weather.gov/Atlanta.